Welcome to this video titled Reader Review Usage Experience. If you're exploring AI writing assistants to streamline your content creation process, Rytr is worth considering. Links to the product are in the description, so let's dive into its features, who it's designed for, and how it performs. Rytr is an AI-powered writing tool built to cater to copywriters, marketers, and content creators looking for an efficient and affordable way to generate high-quality content. It supports over 30 languages and 20-plus tones, making it highly versatile for global and niche audiences. Whether you need blog posts, email drafts, social media captions, ad copy, or even product descriptions, Rytr provides templates and tools to craft professional and engaging text. One of Rytr's standout features is its user-friendly interface. It's simple and intuitive. You choose your preferred tone, language, and content type, provide a brief description, and let the AI handle the rest. The results are impressive for most use cases, often requiring minimal editing. The tool also integrates plagiarism detection, ensuring your content is unique and original. Rytr's affordability is another major plus. It offers a free plan with limited credits, perfect for light users or those testing the platform. For power users, the paid plans are competitively priced, providing unlimited content generation. This makes Rytr accessible for freelancers, startups, and small businesses without breaking the bank. While Rytr delivers well in terms of speed and ease, it does have some limitations. For complex or highly technical writing, it may require more manual refinement. However, for everyday writing tasks, it's a reliable tool that saves both time and effort. In summary, Rytr is an excellent choice for anyone looking to automate and enhance their writing process. It's cost-effective, simple to use, and highly versatile, making it a valuable addition to your content creation toolkit. Check out the links in the description to try it out yourself and see how it fits your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.